Hello, hello. I hope all is well. This is Victoria from Joyful Clementina Plans. I'm not gonna hold you long. Yes, I'm about to do a little setup again. So it all started. No, it's not gonna be a long story. I was going through my planner covers, and I was in the Notiq ones, which I haven't used in a while. And guess who showed up? Showed up like they were going somewhere. Anyway, ta-da! Look at this gorgeous girl. I said, oh my goodness, I forgot I had you. This is from Notiq. Can't remember. I know this is lizard, but I'm not sure of the color. So of course I'll put that down at the bottom. Look at this. Look how pretty. I don't know if the camera does it justice. But I said if this is, my everyday carry, and I do have like a little separate wallet that I have my cards and ID in. Look at this. I said, look at this. And then it comes with this little wristlet. I'm like, this is perfect for an everyday carry. So of course, I have to use this one. Still giving me of course, the red. Oh, see, you know what? Okay, that should be all right. Because I was about to say, wait a minute now. How is it going to be? Okay, it might be all right. We're going to see. As cute as she is, I got to see how this is going to be. To see how it's... We're going to see. I'm going to try it out. You'll know if I change my mind again, if I'm back in the Moterm. Oh my goodness. But I was like, I really forgot that I had that. See, that's a problem. So, yeah, I am going to... Oh, I remember that was hard for me to get out, wasn't it? Let's see. It's with the covers. I noticed that some of the Moterms, they're hard to get in and out for some reason. Not all of them. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Oh, am I? Oh, I'm sorry. I don't even know. Let me see. I can try to adjust this better. I don't know if that was any better. All right. Oh, I didn't think about my little charms getting in the way. Oh, down here. That's something to think about. I'm gonna try it out, y'all. I'm gonna try it out. Is there, nope, there's not a pocket there. So, is that, I don't know, let's see. These will fit maybe in here. I mean, because it is an actual wallet. It's an actual wallet. Put this. Oh, in here. Okay, that's cute. I think I want to keep that Notiq. A little Notiq sign. I don't know. That's not going in there either. Let's stick this in here. right now. Let me see. Because I did find another, like, Christmas element. See, that's cute. That doesn't really go with this. Take that out. Honestly, I'm telling you, I was not planning on doing this, okay? Is that gonna stay down? Maybe not, maybe not. That's really not necessary, to be honest, because I'm not even gonna be able to see it. So, you know what? Alright. That deflated my sails. Oh my goodness. I have to take this out, maybe. Oh. Okay. Alright. Well, there she is. The little deco deflated my sails. I was all pressed, and it's not even gonna work. And this, you know what? Is that even gonna fit in there? I didn't even check to see. Let's see. It's snug, but I think I might get it. It might work. Yeah. It went in there. And then, let's see. Go like that. Yeah. All right. I mean, she's gorgeous. She is gorgeous. Let's see. Let's see if I stick with her. Oh gosh. Alright, that was a little quick impromptu because I was not planning on doing this for my next video, but alright y'all, I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one.